Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, it's 12:48 now. I am going to speak about the video which depicts Riek Machar and Joseph Kony speaking and other soldiers. The argument by Riek Machar is that you are fighting, we're fighting, we were in a civil war, now we are in peace. You are coming to our land to fight. We want peace. They are tired of fighting, so they are retiring from Shaga's army, which is a universal army. Now, what do you do with a nation like that? I wanted to visit Juba myself and see a new country, a newborn baby, born in 2013, under the genius of Riek Machar.
We did not bring the UPDF to Southern Sudan. It was the previous government. You were supported by the previous.
But he is saying, effectively, get out of our country if you continue fighting. In response, Joseph Kony is saying, we've been training for this war for 20 years. If you are sending me back and saying I must not fight, what must I do? Why are you demobilizing me when my enemies still exist? Because they want to kill me. They want to kill you and you and you. So Joseph Kony, ladies and gentlemen, has found the enemy. So now the enemy wants to kill Joseph Kony because Joseph Kony has found the Chitauri. We're all in search of a Chitauri all our lives. And it is Joseph Kony who was able to catch the Chitauri. Now, this reminds me, if we bring back to our cave, South Africa. We had a problem during the apartheid government where MK soldiers were in Mozambique being trained there, maybe carrying out operations, as Jacob Zuma reports, and Ronnie Castret, the former intelligence minister of South Africa. Frelimo, under the leadership of Samora Machel, chased the ANC away when they were fighting against the Afrikaners, the racist, sending them to the dogs, in the words of Helen Zille. So we have a similar situation. So that is the Umongo Wendaba. Yabo. Thank you. Bye, thank you. You can ask questions or add to the discussion in the comment section. Thank you.